everyone, welcome to the Daily Grind. This place has the best coffee in town. I just stopped in for my fix of caffeine and to look over these travel brochures for my next trip when I noticed Tony, barista to the stars, was looking quite puzzled. He's concerned that he might not have enough roasted coffee beans to make it through the rest of the day. With a quick review of the basics of dividing fractions, we can help him determine if he'll be okay or if he needs to fire up the roaster. Hey, wake up! It's time to grind out another problem solved. Tony is the house latte expert and would prefer to be perfecting his foam art, but the person who usually does the roasting is on vacation, so he's been given double duty. Here is the problem that's brewing. The store is open for 6 more hours. He knows that the Daily Grind uses 1/3 of a bag of coffee every hour. He's checked their inventory and knows that they have 3 1/3 bags of coffee left. How many hours of coffee does he have left? Keep in mind that when you are dividing fractions, you always need to be thinking how many of one unit is in another unit. In this case, we are trying to find how many thirds are in 3 1/3. First, we divide each bag of coffee into thirds. There are 3 thirds in each bag, plus an extra third. How many hours does he have left? If you count the thirds you have, there are 10 thirds and 3 1/3. So if Tony uses 1/3 per hour, and we have 10 thirds, we have 10 hours worth of coffee. So 3 1/3 divided by 1/3 is equal to 10. They will be open for 6 more hours and have 10 hours worth of coffee. Tony's good for today. Ireland or Thailand? I just can't decide. Well, thank you. Did you know that people in Finland drink the most coffee in the world? The average is 24 pounds per person. Now, besides serving us regulars, Tony needs to fill some thermoses for a big meeting the Grind is catering. Each thermos contains 2/3 of a gallon, and the order is for 6 gallons of coffee. What he doesn't know is how many thermoses can he fill with 6 gallons. Here are 6 gallons of coffee. How many thirds are in 6 gallons? There are 6 times 3, or 18 thirds. Now 2/3 of a gallon will fit into each thermos. Six divided by 2/3 equals 9. So we can fill 9 thermoses. I bet I could drink most of those. Whether it's here at the Grind or across the globe, we better be sure to pack our knowledge of dividing fractions. That's another problem solved. Maybe Brazil. Oh, I bet they'd have good coffee there.